Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and show you guys the finished makeup look that I was trying out to imitate the Douyin Chinese makeup look. It has a lot of under eye shadow and also glitter to really make your eyes more pronounced and give you that cat eye look. So if you guys want to learn how I went from this into this, then keep watching. I always start off with moisturizer to have a smoothing base. Here I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. It has a really thick paste kind of consistency. Next is foundation. I feel like a lot of people are moving towards the less is more beauty look, especially since everyone's wearing masks, so I'm just focusing on my dark spots and circles. I'm using the Maracuja Tinted Foundation from Tarte. For bronzer, I like to keep it pretty natural. I just draw a 3 on each of my cheeks, with the middle of the 3 lining up with my cheekbone. I focus most of it underneath my jawline. I've been experimenting with a lot of bronzers to see which one looks best, but right now I'm using the Too Faced Gingerbread. Next step is the blush. I like to place my blush below the eyebrow tip, right where my cheek and eye kind of meet. I feel like a little blush just makes you look more youthful, and this also highlights and brings up my face. I like using blushes with multiple shades like this one from Jill Stewart. Today I'm going for a light eyebrow look, so I'm just going to brush up my brows with a eyebrow tint. I'm using the Arches and Halos brow tint for a really nice finish. I put the most product on the outer corners of my brows. Next, I'm using concealer to really carve out and highlight my middle face. So I'm putting this in my inner corner, my outer corner, my dark circles, and also the tip of my nose. You can totally use a brush to blend this out, but I've found that I like warming up the concealer with my fingertips. I feel like it blends into my face a little bit better. Today I was trying out the Beauty Blender concealer. Next, I'm using the ColourPop palette in Wanna Be to accentuate my eyes. I'm starting off with a light shimmer for my inner corners of my eye, and then really blending it and matting it out at the corners of my eye with a dark shadow. For my monolids, I found that it's more flattering, in my opinion, to do a lighter color on the inner corners and then the dark corner on the outer ones, and really try to extend my eye shape. I'm using the dark shadow to create a fake crease and basically draw a line from the outer corners of my eye up a little bit to where a crease would be, just to create a little more shadow and interest. You can totally mix and match the colors. You can try purple, green, pretty much anything. I decided to go for a yellow look today for New Year's. Yay, onto my favorite step, the eyeliner. I feel like this part really transforms the whole look for me. Right now, I've been loving a winged eyeliner angled upwards. It's actually super simple to create this winged eyeliner look. Just draw a line upwards, starting where your lower lash line is and following your natural line. Extend it as long as you want it, and then connect that to your upper lid by drawing another line, and then fill in the rest. Also, try to let it dry before you move your eyes so you don't smudge it. Next, I'm going to set my makeup. I've been moving away from baking, and I actually just like to brighten the middle parts of my face with setting powder. I feel like it looks more natural in photos and doesn't give you that flashback. I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder in Translucent. To continue with this highlighting, I'm going to go in with the Manifest 24K Gold Serum. Yes, this is actually just an oil, but I learned this from a makeup artist. He taught me that oils definitely look more natural on your skin, especially in photos. A powder highlighter can sometimes look not really real, so if you want to keep your skin looking real and looking like it's really a glow from within, try out this oil. I'm going to put this on the apples of my cheeks where I smile and where it catches the light, and then also on my neck, just to, give the neck some love. Make sure that it's also glowing just like your face. People in makeup always say you can tell someone's age by their neck, so I'm trying to keep that looking good too. I'm going to go in with a little lippy for a pop of color. I'm using the ColourPop So Juicy lip gloss in the shade Tupelo. I don't wear mattes that often, and I really like a glossy lip right now. I feel like it's very youthful and fun. Of course, we all know we have to set our makeup, so I'm setting this look with Mist from Urban Decay. And probably the most important part of the look, the eyelashes. To me, I think eyelashes make or break any monolid look because they seriously open up any eye. I like to slightly clump my bottom lashes to really give you that doll's eye open look, and then I'm just applying a thin layer of mascara on my top lashes to really make them look more open and just more fluttery. I'm using a mascara from Cali Ray, trying it out actually for the first time today, and I actually really liked it. Tell me why everyone makes this face when they put on mascara though. This is the final look. It was so fun to create. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and make sure to follow, like, and subscribe at Jessica Carey Lee. Bye guys, see you next time.